Hi all, this is Sammy here from Avid CNC. In this video, we'll identify the required and recommended tools needed to assemble the Avid CNC Pro machine. The required tools list includes a set of metric ball end Allen wrenches. Specifically, you'll need the 2.5mm, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm. A set of imperial ball end Allen wrenches, specifically a 3/32 and a 1/4 inch, an adjustable wrench, a flat tip screwdriver, 2 6-inch clamps, a tape measure, and a utility knife. The recommended tools list includes a 6mm hex ball end power bit, a drill or driver. A drill with a torque limiter is preferred to avoid damaging smaller fasteners. Metric combination wrenches, specifically 8mm, 10mm, 13mm, 16mm, and 17mm. A metric tape measure. Loctite blue 242 thread locker, 2 pieces of dimensional lumber, 2 24-inch clamps, cable ties, and a level that's at least 4 feet long. Let's talk a little bit about a few of the recommended tools and how they can make the assembly process more efficient and enjoyable. The Avid CNC Pro machine frames consist primarily of aluminum extrusion, and the main fastener that holds these joints together are the anchor fasteners, which slot into the extrusion like this. A drill or driver with the 6mm hex ball end power bit will make this assembly process go a lot quicker. Here's a quick pro tip for assembling the base. When sliding the extrusion together, use a piece of blue tape to hold the anchor fasteners in place. Later in the frame assembly, the instructions call for a specific spacing between the cross members. 2 pieces of pre-cut dimensional lumber and quick clamps will make setting the spacing much easier. When it comes to leveling the machine frame, a longer level will definitely be a benefit. That's all for this video about recommended and required tools. Thanks everyone for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with a friend who'd also enjoy it, and join the Avid CNC community on social media. Happy making!